The video you're looking at is made by an AI named Stable Video Diffusion. It is an AI model which is being made by Stability.ai, and today we're going to talk about this AI model or future trends in Stable Diffusion AI. But before we move forward, I would like to tell you that Be10x has an exclusive AI tool workshop. The link is in the description. Do check it out. Now, to understand Stable Video Diffusion, first you need to understand Stable Diffusion AI. These both are different terms. Stable Diffusion AI is a text-to-image generator, whereas Stable Video Diffusion is a text-to-video generator or an image-to-video generator. But these both AI models are going to be a part of a single tool, which is Stability.ai. Now, what actually is Stable Diffusion AI? As I said, Stable Diffusion AI is a text-to-image generator, but with unique and different qualities. For example, face swapper, or image upscaler, or background remover, and many more. Now you have the basic idea of what Stable Diffusion AI is, then we can move ahead to Stable Video Diffusion. Now Stable Diffusion AI was already very cool, and now Stable Video Diffusion is 10 times more cooler than Stable Diffusion AI. For just a bit of clarity, let me tell you again that Stable Video Diffusion is gonna be a text-to-video generator or image-to-video generator. Basically, it can bring any image or idea in your mind to life. Now Stable Video Diffusion is gonna have two plans, the basic plan and the advanced plan. The basic plan, which is also known as Stable Video Diffusion, can generate videos in the frame of 256 by 256 pixels and 14 frames per video. And you can even adjust the speed by 3 to 30 frames per second. Whereas the advanced pack or SVDXT can generate the videos in same frame size but with 24 frames per video. And again, you can adjust the speed by 3 to 30 frames per second. The exported videos are gonna be in MP4 format, which is gonna be the best. Now, the basic plan or Stability Video Diffusion works on the similar technology as Stable Diffusion AI, which means first it will start with a noisy image and then to the perfect video. There are three main steps Stable Video Diffusion performs to make videos. But before I tell you those steps, I want to warn you with something. See, AI is taking over the world. In such a short span of time, we have seen so many layoffs and whatnot. And you don't want to get affected by this recessive wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you. The people using AI will. If you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours of AI tool workshop in which we will teach you about the best tools to upskill, increase your productivity and enhance your career. Make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link in the description. Now the 3 steps with the help of which Stable Video Diffusion creates videos are: first, it learns to create images from text descriptions by using a big collection of texts or images pair. With the help of this, it can understand the meaning of text and what the images look like. The second is, it learns to make videos from images using a bunch of video clips. This teaches it a lot about how things move or change over time. And the third is, it gets better at making videos in specific areas like landscape or animals. This improves the variety and quality of the video. And this is why it beats all the older models from the companies like Runway, Pika, etc. by being better in quality and speed. Now, here's a side-by-side illustration of an image and how different tool works. The tools we have here are Stable Video Diffusion, Runway, and Pika Labs. Now, you can already see how smooth Stable Video Diffusion is gonna be. But I'm gonna give a little bit of points to Runway here because they express this child's emotion that he knew he messed up. Now, currently Stable Video Diffusion does not have any virtual camera in it. But soon in the future, it is said that Stability.ai is gonna introduce this virtual camera so that you can have a good experience and a 3D designing of your character. And who knows, when the final version of Stable Video Diffusion is released, there might be a virtual camera. Because you don't know how fast AI is actually growing. Here are some of the finest creations made by Stable Video Diffusion. Well, you can even use this tool. Stability.ai has provided the code in the GitHub, but to use this tool, you need a good graphic card and good technical skills. Because the video generation may be a bit heavy for your PC or laptop. And keep in mind, do not use this tool to harm anyone or for any hate-related activity. Because this tool is under construction and Stability.ai is not responsible for anything that happens after creating the violence or hate type videos. Now, SVDs are a part of Stability.ai's open source models. They keep updating their models and welcome community feedbacks. SVDs is a big step towards making videos with AI. And before we wind up, do not use this tool for anything bad. And tell me in the comment section if you have made anything from Stable Video Diffusion. I'm looking forward to it. And also like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to check out our AI tool workshop. It's just of 9 rupees and believe me, it's a pond full of knowledge. You just have to dive in it. We'll see you there. Thank you.